Yeah, man. Good morning, world. Pleasant and beautiful morning, you know. There here, you know. Out in the hills. Yeah, man, I want some bait because we are touch out there, you know. We are going to look some parrot today. We are look some jack and some snapper. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Then on the other side.
See, look, you see right here hand there?
This?
Yeah. Should touch a whisk there. Yeah, man. So as we say, we are going to go on some hunting in idea, yeah. Today, me, EJ, and Cubans, you know. Yeah, man, we there today and you don't know where going up, peeps. Hunting have to go on, you know. So, what we are do, look some bait at the moment. Then we head out at sea, see where we can accumulate up for the day. You see what I say? So, just go and take in. We are hunt the soldier crab them. You know, we showing all type of way, you know. You see it, peeps. So, here we are going to go on now. Just leave a like on the video. Big up every viewer, every subscriber or subscribe to the channel. Big up people that reach out, you know, to show them love. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So let's go and keep it locked. Yeah, peeps. Out there. Yard and abroad. Big up on yourself. The soldier crab up in the tree there and so Cubans. Monitor them here, I'm done. Yeah, man, so sometimes I saw the bait yet. You know, call, you know, scarce. So we have to hunt them, you know. No Cubans are real hunter, you see none? Cubans. Oh, couple of them well there in the side. Cubans, see them run come on the side. Right down a should be stick. Come on, you know. Marksman, man. One heap of them bungle up around here, so. But yeah, I see them on the side there to Cuban. So we'll see the general, I find them, you know. See one drop there. Yeah, man. Then the right there, see them way. See one I come up to you there. Two there. This is what we got so far. You see what I say, we want at least 1/4 bucket, you know. Because we have spent one bad 3 hours up there. You see me 3-4 hours out there, you know. Pay soldier there on the back of field, you know, yeah man. So, see Cuban up in the tree there. You see me? Hunting my hunting the peeps. You see me? Alright, see the peeps. See it one drop. See what drop from him there. And I'm showing us up in the tree him there. I hunt them, you know. Now I wonder how you do it. Look on the maga limb where man turn up on peeps. Limb well maga. But the Cubans that, you know. Real general. See your height in there. Yeah man. High altitude, you know. So honestly now my viewers, I tell you the truth, we are search and look at my buck up one. Two of the biggest worm them may ever see right now. I don't know if I feel be scared or what, but look there. I'm huge in a piece. Me not touch him with my hand, but look there. Yeah man, him big you know. Cubans are kind of worm this. You can't use as bait. Yes, beeps, look there. Come like say, is a pair of them two, you know, call look there. The smaller one and the bigger one. Yeah, man, but see when me come out here. Yeah, man, soldier crab, you know. See them, eh? Them we are search for. Yeah. Yeah, man, peeps. This is what we find for today, you know. Yeah, man, limited amount of bait, but we are test them with that, you see me? So, we are headed off to waters now. We are going flat rock. So, if anything, we can hunt off a 2 yard or 2. So, people just go and keep it locked, man, you see me? IQ the Cubans. Yeah, man. EG. That's what I say, so. Out of waters we are going now. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, man, viewers and subscribers, so. We reach a water after a long journey. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Sweating. The heat turn up, so. Try to tie up my head to get some of the heat off of my face. And I don't know. Yeah, man. If you know what you are doing, you know, them sunny out here will knock you out. That's what I say. So we're outside now, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, man, here, IQ that diligent up the line, you know what I'm saying, peeps?
That is it.
Yes, man. Cubans, you say today you murder something? Alright. Nobody tell you on the sinker before you tell you on it. He's sitting there in front of it. Yeah, man, so I just cheer with our waters today, you know, peeps. You see me? Just reach, ready for throw our line. Yeah, man. So today, I test myself today, you know, people. I carrying at least 10 fish. You get what I say? So, I get 10 fish today, you see it? Yeah, man, watch people, watch IQ a laugh, like a joke thing. Watch him. There's a here, John, when you're from around there. Ah. Yeah, man, see Cubans, the peeps. Age the pan female, all females. You see it? So me no know about them, but me say me are carrying 10 today, no. So I want to start count with me now, here. Yeah, man, peeps, so remember me tell us at 10 me are catching, the first thing me catch is a pilot, you know. Laugh, man. Laugh. 9 more to go, you see it? Yeah, man. 9 more to go. What you say, Age? I can't catch it 10. Alright, then I hear what Age say. And y'all laugh, Cubans. 10, 9 more to go, you hear, boy? Yeah, man, peeps. 9 more to go without delay, you know, so. Get down back to some fishing. This is a pilot, you know? So, 1 this out of 10. 1 and counting. You know, help me count, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. Second one that out of the 10, you know? How will I laugh? How will I laugh? Say it can't happen, watch ya. All this bridging. Nice, go small bridging, you know what I mean, peeps? Because Cuban say it couldn't happen, you know. See it there? Nice, go bridging. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps. So, this is my second one. So, 8 more to go. When you don't know. Yeah, man, there's still a whole half a 4th, you know. Sun a glisten out here, you know, peeps. You see me? Yeah, man. See there? Yeah, man, peeps. The third one, this is, you know, another pilot, you know. I know I'm not catch nothing amusing yet. And boy, I would really want for wow an idea, you know. You see me? Catch something beautiful. I know it can happen still, but my third one this. So we just go and keep it locked, peeps. You know? Hope something amazing happen, you know? I'm out here with a smile on my face. You don't know. AJ will have a foot down there, so you see me? We still have to go move from the location here, cause nothing go on. You see me? Pay fine and you see me? But we have catch something big today, so keep it locked. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So watch it again, people. My fourth one. My fourth one this, you know. And it's a pilot again. I don't like what I go on. 4 pilot, no. 1 parrot and 3 pilot. It's not a good look. One see snapper, one see parrot, one see jack. You see it, peeps? So, we are try again, you know. You see me? But the 4th one that out of the 10 when I tell you, you see me? Yeah, man. Keep counting. Yeah, man, peeps. I see the 4 of them when I catch so far. You see me? 3 pilot, 1 parrot, you know? But here I go on now, peeps. I go head up waters, you know, because nothing go on here, so. So, I head up waters. What you say? Eh? Who? A bait left? Yeah, man, peeps, so. Move upstream, you know? See what can go on, because nothing go on down here, so. Yeah, man, so if you reach this far in our video, just hit the like button, man, hit the thumbs up. You see when I say share it to a friend and a family. Subscribe, you know? Yeah, man, so catch me up there, so. You see it, peeps? What go on the Cubans? Jesus almighty, Cuban! A big blue boy that, you know? Cubans, big blue boy that, you know? So you couldn't tell me know say you hold something, you know? Yo, hold him up, man. Hold him up, let the world see it, man. Dan proud of himself, you know, the biggest fish you catching in your life, that, though. What? The biggest fish shot, man. Oh, me think you say, Yeah! What did you catch? Pilot. 1 pilot. Jesus Christ, no about 5 pounds of fish this. Eh? How are the next one there? Peeps, the man pilot and the man fat blue parrot here, you know, man. You know what that man about 5 pounds of fish is, you know? Man, no flap with sure. Can't talk to it done again. Say about 5 pounds that. Jesus almighty. Star boy feed there, you know. Star boy feed there, you know. Star boy, you know. Oh, you mean? Alright. Can't, what's that? Can't talk to you. What's a teeth? Teeth. Can't talk to you, boss. How much have you catch now, my dad? You hold something? I think you hold something too. Oh, go on, I can't hold the boss. You done drop a pilot in a hole in the people. Roger. Done grab a pilot in the man. Drop in our hole, you know. Cubans! Cubans! Yo! Can't get one. Eh? Can't get one. Say me a boat and there, how am? If you catch one next one, you give me. Keep your fish, man. Boy, people, me never in no competition, you know. Boy, look, boy, catch 2 fish and that type and we, you know. You look, 2 fish that come from doctor, look, boy, out of water and start type. You see me? So me have to go turn up the gear now, you know, peeps. Watch how I go on. Just watch how I go on. You know, count with me. Can you guys see the dolphin? Yeah, man, see the dolphin there. And a dolphin, a seal. A seal. Boom, boom. You know them there, Jamaica. Bomba! Seco! You see we now come up back, you know? You now come up back, you know? Me never know them to that Jamaica, brother. Bomba! See that boy, Booba? Yeah, boy, Booba, IQ, you see that? Yeah, man, paper, so here, J, do them. Me and Cubans alone up on the rock, you know, peeps. You see me? So, 4 o'clock, we are left about 5, you know. So, Cubans are behind fish, them a drop off, you know. We don't know how I jump in him to then get 2 fish and a hype up himself, you know. But, we out here, you know, like normal, doing the right thing. Heart of love, yard and abroad, big up on yourself. Keep it locked. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, so, you know, that's EG. And Cubans cut left me, you see me? But from them gone, let me show you when I catch peeps. That and that. You get what I say? So I lick down 3 other fish, me just catch a one in the peeps, you see me? A guard, you see me, as I see him not up my line still, so I guess me have to go bust it. And you know, set it up back, but them there me 3 catch since them gone, you know? You know, say, I can't bring the action to no live when I jar them in. You get what I say? Because I have to use my hand, pull in the fish them. So, the camera, I can't hold the camera at the same time. You see it, peeps? So, see it there? Nice, man. And pretty. Nice fat parrot, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, though. Keep it locked, man. Peeps, one more catch I did to it, you know. This is a whiteling, people. You see me? This are the fish we explore, say, poison, you see me? So, right now, first me I catch one, him always catch him, but him don't eat them. But, peeps, want to comment and tell me, you know, because I just put him down. Tell me if it's a fish we can eat, you see me? Yeah, man, see me a whiteling, you know? Based upon when me hear them very poisonous, but I feel say me fi test it, you see it? Why? Nah lie your peeps, see him there? I'm afraid. And yet still me I test him still, so peeps just go and keep it locked, you know what I mean? And peeps, and me alone left for see, you see me? So na boy long, you know? IQ and age gone home, you see me? So me out here I go and you know, finish off the bait, you know, not much bait, you get what I say? So, from them gone, so far I catch 4, you see me? 1 parrot, 1 butterfish, a piper fish and now a white thing, you see peeps, so, yeah man, things looking up. So just go and keep it to lock to the channel, peeps, remember, you see me? Leave a like, man, you see me? Comment, subscribe, you see it? Maxine Garrison, big up yourself, you see it? Yeah man. Maria, big up yourself, same way. Steve, the general, big up yourself, same way, you see me? College Jugs, the whole entire, you see me? JLB family, you see him? Yeah man, ride or die. You get what I say? Uncle Alva, big up yourself, same way. Yeah man, we out here to do it, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Yeah man, peeps, another parrot, nice size one. See where him get caught over him high, my peeps. Yeah man. Down the ramp, get knocked. Show him over land there. Yeah man, another beautiful one, you know. Yeah man. Know it'll get a bit late, so make a couple more throughout and see where we can, not we, me, where we can, you know. One more we can catch, so. Yeah man, couple more minutes out here. Then you know, so yo, see if we can go now and cooking tomorrow. You know, with them when I catch, you don't know it go peep, so just go and keep it locked, man. Hopefully I catch a few more, you know. Yeah man, heart of love, man, yard and abroad. Yeah man, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah man, my peeps, another lovely parrot, you know. Yeah man. Peeps, one thing I'm sorry say. I can't show you the action when I jar them in, peeps. But look there, Another lovely one, peeps. You see me? Yeah. Beautiful. Just come out of the water fresh. Yeah, man. See what I go on? Lovely, don't? Yes, man. Jeez. So look at that now, peeps. I catch another one, you know, but you want me don't know if I'm going to drop off in another lovely one, you know. You get me, peeps, but him stuck on a line. We go cross the water, so honestly, I don't know if I'm going to drop off. I try to get him in. You get me? Me see him? Nice blue one that, you know, peeps. You get me? Almighty. Look at that. Pretty done. Try to get him out still. Yeah, man, peeps, I see it there. I get him up without losing him. So there's another one that to Italy, you know. Yeah, man. So, peeps, the reason why you see him change colour is because from me catch him and throw him out, me did have to out there. You know? I try out this, I try free off the line, you know, because it did not up on another loose line. I don't know whose line it is, but, you know. But we get him on the line, you know, you know, people, that are the greatest thing. So we add him to the tally. You get what me I say? So it's another parrot this. You get me? Alright. Wow, another one. People, another nice bridging, you know. You get what me I say? Nice bridging that one, yeah. Yeah. What? No see it? Yeah, man, me I mash them up, you know. About 4 to 5 parrot me catch already, peeps. Look on that one, yeah. Nice bridging, man. So, you don't know it, come on, look there. Lovely. Lovely. Them a name fresh from sea to pot, you know, peeps. Look there. Lovely. I'm going to do a little cook for you tomorrow, peeps. I swear. Because I can't do it today again, you know. Because it's done late, but look. Yes, man. Lovely. Yeah, man, peeps. So we are headed out to land here now, you see me? I don't know where I go. So I just want to keep it locked for the next episode of this video. Yeah, man, which is the cooking episode, you see it? So, let's go and keep it locked. Here, peeps. Heart of love, man. Blessings.